Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, on the water, Alex was running a tad bit late, probably like 5 or 6 minutes late from first cast. So in the studio, Alex will do the intro. My bad on that one. I was so like enthralled in getting the stream up and getting the cameras on that I completely forgot to do an intro. That being said, welcome everybody. This is the Central Carolina Kayak Fishing non-points practice warm-up tournament on Jordan Lake. This morning was fairly comfortable. It started off in the high 40s, and as the day progressed, it got a little bit colder, and we got a little rain. But as of me launching around 6:47, 6:48, it was really, really good, really comfortable. High 40, almost 50-degree weather. What can I say? This was in tradition. I did last year's warm-up tournament. I really like this time of year on Jordan Lake. This winter to spring transition into pre-spawn, and I really enjoy the fall to winter transition here on this lake. It really fits to my styles for cranking and staying around rocks. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. The results are out. I'm not going to ruin it for anybody. But yeah, you'll see what I did. I didn't really move too far. We just stayed on our strength and kind of just bumped up. So like, comment, subscribe, share the video, show people, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. Later. So no, I thought you were in Southern California. I guess not. Snow ain't it. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a fucking tank. I don't feel head shakes. Please be a bass. It is. That's what you get for swiping at it. That's what your big ass get for swiping at it. Oh, God damn. Whole one hook in the side. That's it. That's all I had on it. One hook in the side. Yeah, she's about a 5. Yeah. Start the day off right. If this hook wants to cooperate. Yeah, they love the fruit side, but I didn't tell y'all that. Yo, listen, TB. Every fisherman's different, man. You're gonna have your day, bro. Don't stress. Don't rush it. Be patient and appreciate it. And once it happens, make sure you capture that moment. That's how it always goes, man. If fishing was easy, everybody. Side hook.
Stay right there, baby. I gotta get everything ready. And a half. She's about 5 pounds. We'll get away with her. $4.69. 4.69. Put it back. No, it was heavy. Yeah, that fish was brolic. I think I lost it at one point and it swirled back on the hook. Oh, I got another one. Oh, this one's fighting too. Oh shit. Stuck on my hooks. Hold up, hooks, hold up. Yeah, we're not winning this one. Yeah, I fucked up. You guys can see that hook. It's stuck in the net. I was about to lose that fish if I didn't. Yeah, Berkeley, if you're listening, holler at your boy. Your hooks are amazing. Oof, I just lifted a fucking fish in the net by 2 hooks. No. It's the season, Duxco. It's the season. It's a season. That's not going to stop him from what he did. If I told him or I didn't tell him, that wasn't going to stop him. The fact that he was that close that we can have that conversation is the point. But hopefully he understands that now that I told him that, I'm not getting the fuck off of this spot. That's a big one. That's a fucking tank. I can't move her. I'm trying to move her. Oh my god. this shit for no reason. No reason. Fucking tank monster. Fucking tank, dude. That fish is fucking built. Crazy built. That's gonna be like a huge, like 8-pounder. Just how strong she is. Alright, be right back, take a picture. Probably time for me to stop sandbagging and post those fish. I wish I had a hook sharpener because I need to do that for this guy. I'm dragging him through the nastiest and nasty. Hook's been holding on pretty well though. Okay, I hear you, Ellie. It's dead right now. I have not been, normally when I sandbag, it's when I get that first lull where I have to put a fish in like 30 to 45. But yeah, I'll keep going. You're right. I'm gonna lay off of it. Nobody knows what I got. Is that a fish? That is. That's another one. That thing felt like a rock. Head shakes for days. Don't feel big. It's a fish. Oh yeah, it's fucking strong. No more digging. In the box. Those guys to my right are probably kicking themselves in the fucking foot. I gave them the bank on early. They didn't catch it. So I know that. And I do apologize. But it is the way of the game. If you don't know how to fish it, don't fish it. I know how to fish it, and I fish it pretty damn well. Thank you, sir. We're working in a bass boat competition. This is probably like a 14-pound stringer so far. It's been a really good spot this morning, Jay. Like, you see how what's his face? You guys got shell beds on in Florida. You know, that's your version of rocks. It sets up exactly like rocks. It sets up exactly like rocks. They'll sit off on them. They'll sit to the edge of them. If the shell bed makes like a point, they'll sit on. They'll sit right there at the point looking. Yeah, you guys have shell beds. I can point looking at them. Really good hard structure at the bottom or hard cover. That's fish. You've been on the call. Right now, we're about to touch it. Got damn remote. Okay. Right now. Oh God, you got me cross-armed. Come on up. Was that your last dig? This pole is fucking loaded under the boat. Oh yeah, you're a fucking hefty one too. Oh, that's 5. We're done. It's all you. Probably like another 3. Now it's your spot now. Take it. Oh shit, look what's in its mouth. Look what is right in its mouth. Your teeth are sharp. Good. Good. Oh man, it feels so good. Oh. It does only say no fishing from ridge. Yeah, you are not wrong. Yo, it does only say no fishing from bridge. Holy moly. That's a fish. Oh, that's a big fish. Turn off spotlight. Don't jump. Man, at least you're catching. Some people this season don't catch, so always gotta.
_fishing says great job, brother.
Oh man, Jeremy, appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I know if you and Helly were here, I wouldn't be catching just as many. Y'all would probably be catching all of them. And then I'll be looking at y'all like, yo, y'all saw all my gear. But, oh, goddamn. Damn, you locked that thing up. I can't turn it. Turn on spotlight. Turn on spotlight. It doesn't feel big because it's so far away. Holy shit. Oh yeah, it feels big now. Turning my boat. Come on. Oh yeah, it feels really big.
_way_fishing says no, you know I'd be in the arena.
Nope. I think this fish has the whole crankbait down his throat. I'm on him.
Let me see that crankbait.
Yeah, hold on now. Hold on. We can talk about it. I can't show it to you. Oh no, it's here in the shell. I gotta sight it. You ever see when your crankbaits float later in the day? And you can get them back, bruh. You talking about a feeling. Oh, we got one. You talk about a feeling. Come on up. Just want to talk to you. Don't go that way. Get out the rocks. Oh God. Come back. Unless they just want the red.
That's a mere mention of reddies, they are biting.
It's a good one. I don't think it's going to help. It's a good one. Oh, it might help. It most definitely might help. It's a red thing right now. It's definitely red. Yeah. The bass boat guys did. There was a group here earlier. We were chatting. They were asking a lot of questions. Solving skills, trouble fixing nets. I just got this thing out and I got it to another piece of net.
And our winner today was Alex Sterling. Alex really came on strong today. He had 6 fish, but look, 19 and a half, 19, 18 and 3/4, 18, 17 and a half. And um, he caught 5 quickly. He called 1. I can't remember. It must have been 17 or 17 and a quarter, somewhere in that range. But the 5 fish that he had to take the lead, he caught within an hour, sitting in the same spot within an hour. So we're going to take a look at a couple of his fish. This one you can see that he caught at 7:48 this morning, 17 and a half inches. And he jumped up. Then he's got a 19-inch fish here that he caught at 7:30 in the morning. Another good looking fish. And lastly, a 19 and a half inch fish that he caught at 7:25. So you can see of the times that he was turning in, they're all from 7:30 to 8:30. He caught 5 fish that put him over 92 inches. And then he had caught one to cull that just gave him a quarter, half inch increase, something like that.
Well, you guys saw it. We got the dub, first place. Big shout out to CCKF. Thank you, Mitch. Congrats to Brian taking second. That was a biggin. Yeah, I mean, we got our first kayak tournament dub. It was a practice warm up. No points were involved, but it was a tournament nonetheless. Don't y'all take nothing from me. That's my first kayak win. Feels great. Still feeling a little unreal. Couldn't believe it. We found a magical spot during magical time, and we stuck to our comforts. And I hit a lot of check marks in this tournament. You saw early. Well, you guys probably didn't see. If you were in the stream, you saw that I gave that bank line up to a boater. There was a boating tournament going on. If you all didn't know, Piedmont Classic was going on. I gave that bank line to a boater. I was fishing in the back where I should have just ran straight to the point, but I was fishing in the back little cove, and then I started working my way up, and then I saw the boat, and then I fished offshore onto some fisher tractors, and that boat passed, and he didn't catch anything, but I only saw they were throwing A-rigs. I think a spinnerbait and an A-rig, and I knew that wasn't the play with the kind of wind that we were getting, and what I saw at the attractor was on my right side, I kept seeing bait, and I kept seeing bait spread. Like it wasn't balled up. So I knew there's fish. I knew there was a ton of fish, but they weren't sticking to the attractor. So that being said, I already knew what to do when I got to that. When I got the opportunity to go to that corner, and I mean, that 19 and a half was probably my second cast pushing onto that corner, and then right thereafter we got the 19. So I knew we had a special spot right then and there. If you guys watched my tournament video for the warm-up last year, I did the exact same thing, but one thing I did not do, and I told myself I was going to do for this year, stay on those fish. Stay on that spot, stay on that fish. Doesn't matter if you don't get a bite within 20, 30, 40 hour, 2 hours. If you can catch 2 fish back to back in one spot, that means there's probably like 30, 40 plus more fish there. And I stuck to that, and god dang it paid off. They were there. Like, they just kept biting. You guys will see that I cast to my right, I cast to my left, I cast straight on the middle of that point, and it, almost every other time within 20 minutes between bites, I was getting bit. 5 to 20 minutes, I was getting bit. We were catching them. I also got offered $100 for that spot. That other boater was definitely trying to get on that spot. If you saw on the stream, he got very close and almost disrespectful. We worked everything out. We talked it out to an extent, but a lot of people wanted that spot, and I was not giving it up, and it paid off. We had our limit within an hour and about 2 minutes, and then we were still catching fish. 45 minutes after that, wind cut off. We caught a lull, found a nice big one still sitting fairly shallow on the rocks, and we got her up. So great day on the water. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hit a lot of check marks, like I said. I stuck to my guns. I stuck to my strategy, and I mean, it felt good. No compromises whatsoever on that win in my fishing ability and my comforts. So it always feels good when you don't have to compromise. That being said, we have Lake Norman coming up. By the time this video comes up, it'll be the weekend, Saturday approaching, and look forward to it. We're supposed to get some wind on Friday. It's supposed to be a nice post frontal Saturday, which we practiced on. Hint, hint, if you were in the Twitch, we practiced on a post frontal weekend, and we were able to catch, I think, like 8 or 9 fish. So taking that same kind of thought process and energy in with us. Hopefully we do good. We'll be out there Friday competing on Saturday on Lake Norman. So I definitely thank you all so much. Twitch chat, Carolina Basco, you guys, Bash Juice, like, thank you guys so much for the support. Yeah, you guys keep me motivated. I can't say, I like fishing, but I like streaming, and everything happens for a reason. If I wasn't streaming, I would not have met Carolina Basco. If I wasn't fishing and traveling for Twitch and going to different spots, I wouldn't have met Bash Juice. And I mean, everything happens for a reason. So I thank you all, both chat, Carolina Basco, and Bash Juice, for supporting. I really, really appreciate it. If you like the video, all the new YouTube nomenclature, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, let people know that I'm out here dangling for greenfish. If you're on Twitch, make sure you tell your friend that tells a friend that likes to fish that I'm on Twitch, and I catch big greenfish. Just tell them that, and they'll come. But yeah, on that note, y'all have a great day, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, however you're watching, whoever you're watching, whenever you're watching. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.